Hello and welcome to Exploring Oregon. In today's video, we'll be touring this beautiful English Tudor in Northwest Portland. So welcome, I'm David Backholer, and today we're in the Northwest Heights in Northwest Portland. Now, Northwest Portland contains a really wide range of home types, from townhouses and condos all the way up to large mansions with stunning views. Today we'll be exploring a single family home which is part of a homeowners association. You will find many homes that are in a HOA in the area will include all the exterior maintenance of the property, and that explains why you'll see many of the similar characteristics of the homes nearby. So the property we'll be touring is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom single family home that was built in 1995. It is approximately 1,300 square feet and the list price is $555,000. So let's take a closer look. So I hope you've enjoyed touring a stunning English Tudor home. If you'd like to know more about this property or are looking for ideas on what neighbourhood might be right for you, please do reach out. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. Until next time, thanks for watching.